dear friends. I know you all missed me and I am back after a long time. Today we will learn about a Pizza Planet truck. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the car. I think that you would be thinking that this car is so small. The car is small, but the secrets are big. In this car, in the last compartment, we can make a house also, but otherwise we can make a Pizza Planet truck also. This car is also used for taking the goods one place to another place, and this car is also used for taking the people to one place to another place. In this car, the rocket has given. You would be thinking that the rocket has given, so car would be flying. No, the car is not flying, but it is for only a decoration. Okay, so in this car, in the last compartment, we can modify all the things. But in the first, where we are driving the car, in that we can modify, but otherwise we will not modify. The car will be nice. Okay, so I have given the all information about this Pizza Planet truck. I think you would be enjoying this video. You can also comment and tell me that which car you do want to see and want the information. I will come back soon. Till then, bye.